Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys the best keyboard shortcuts to mess with your friends' computers, and even to the point of crashing. I'll also teach you guys how to get rid of them in case your friend doesn't back to you. Alright, so first of all, we can turn on high contrast by pressing left alt, left shift, and then print screen. It's gonna say this at the top, it's like yes, and please wait, and we'll have high contrast on. So now what we're going to do is we're going to press Windows plus. We're going to turn on this magnifier, and then we can zoom in all the way. And as you can see, it's 1600%. And you're going to get this stuck somewhat like this. I would try and move the mouse as far away from the magnifier as possible so your friend doesn't find the magnifier. And let's see how far I can get it. All right, so now that I got it here, our next step is to crash the computer so nothing else would work. So what we're going to do is we're going to press Windows E. What this does is it opens a file explorer. Yeah, you can see my storage here. And so we're just going to continue pressing that, Windows E. And we're going to spam this a few hundred times, hopefully. So what this does is every time we press it, it opens a new file explorer, and it gets to the point where Windows cannot keep up with the amount of times we press it, and it's going to be stuck in this very like long time, a period of time where you can't move your mouse. So this is what we're going to do. To make everything more clear of what's happening, I'm going to try and minimize the screen so you can actually see what's happening. If I could actually get to it. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty difficult. So I'm going to try and minimize this so we can actually see what's happening. If I can actually find it. Let's see. Okay, so I found it. I'm just going to continue pressing minus until we're back to 100%. So what we're going to continue to do is continue to open more file explorers. As you can see, my mouse is just this loading circle now, and we have a hell ton of these. You can't even see them because they're still loading in. So what we're going to do is I'm going to continue pressing this maybe another 50 times, or however long you want to do it, as long as your friend doesn't come back from the washroom, right? So we're going to continue pressing this. I'm going to press it for like 10 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My computer is low-key getting really hot. I can feel it. Yo, that's pretty scary. So we're going to, now we can do this next step if you want to. If you don't, what you can do is you can just restart your laptop from here and all the tabs should be gone. But what we're going to do is we're going to press Alt, Shift, print screen again. So now what's going to happen is we're going to get stuck on this please wait screen. And we're going to get stuck here forever because, well, the files are still opening in the background. So as long as the files are still opening, we're going to be stuck here. So click Windows E as much as you can. And then what we're going to do is we're going to zoom in all the way again and move your mouse all the way down to the middle or wherever you want, and then just leave it in the middle and wait for your friend to come back. All right, and it's just gonna do like glitching left and right and shit like that. So what we're gonna do to get rid of this is we're gonna click Control Alt Delete. It's gonna prepare your security, and well, my magnifier is still on here, but Control Alt Delete automatically makes it so you can actually use it. So what you can do here is you can sign out and then try and close all of your files if you want to maintain like your browser tabs or things like that. Or if you don't want to, what you can do is you can press this and then you could click restart or shut down. I'm just going to restart it. So this doesn't work normally unless you know to press Control Alt Delete, because when you're stuck on that please wait screen, it's going to be there and you won't be able to get out unless you know to press Control Alt Delete, because you won't be able to shut it down, right? So we're just going to wait until this restarts. Time lapse. So now our computer is back on. I signed in already because I don't want you guys to see my password. Yeah. We're probably still gonna have this giant magnifier thing, but what you can do is you can just go to minus and minus and minus, or you can press Windows minus, and then we're gonna have everything back to normal, right? And then we can close this. You might still have high contrast on. If that does happen, just click Alt Shift Print Screen, and your high contrast will disappear. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys go troll your friends. If you do want any of my shortcuts, I'll link a Google Doc in the description, and then just watch the video and match it to the commands on the Google Doc. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll be sure to reply to you. Please like and subscribe if I helped you, and consider leaving a comment to boost the algorithm. Thank you.